Okay, so ito yung equation or general equation for the halogenation of an alkane. We have the alkane, RH, into which medyo nakalabas yung isang hydrogen niya kasi yan yung site of substitution reaction, and then you have the diatomic halogen. It is a must that there must be heat or light during the halogenation reaction. Otherwise, kung wala itong heat or light na to, it will not proceed or there will be no reaction. Okay? As a product of this halogenation, we have halogenated alkane. And also a hydrogen halide. So, paano na-form ang halogenated alkane? Remember that halogen is a diatomic element. So, XX yan. Okay? XX. Okay, so if halogen is a diatomic element, so you could have XX there. Okay? One of the halogen molecule or one of the atoms of the halogen will react with or will substitute, okay, will replace that oxygen as that hydrogen. So magpapalitan sila kasi substitution reaction. Okay? So papalitan ng one atom ng halogen ang hydrogen. That's why instead of RH, magiging RX. And instead na XX yan dahil X2 or diatomic element yung halogen, magiging HX. So, na-substitute. Nagpalitan sila ng atom. Okay? So, let's have a concrete example. We have here ethane. Okay? So, in-expand natin yung ethane para makita natin kung alin ang site of reaction. Then, we have here bromine. So, Br yan. Pwedeng Br. One of the bromine atom will replace, okay, magpapalitan or substitute one of the hydrogen molecules of ethane. That's why, ang product natin ay to CH3, CH2, instead na may another hydrogen here, bromine ion na lang. Tapos kanina, instead na Br2 siya, okay, instead na Br2 siya, na-substitutan yung isang bromine ion niya ng H, kaya naging HBr siya. Okay? Ang tawag dito ay hydrobromic acid or hydrogen bromide. Siyempre, kapag chlorine naman yan, if this is chlorine, then therefore, this one would be hydrochloric acid or hydrogen chloride. And of course, the X depende sa identity ng halogen. Simple as that. Okay? Pero ang pinaka-rule of thumb, kailangan for this to proceed, meron tayong heat or light. Okay. Meron din paminsan, hindi dinadagdag dito yung bromine o yung halogen. Hindi nakasulat na plus Br2. Pwede rin din naman na kasama yung bromine dito sa taas ng arrow. Pwede din naman. Okay? So, hindi lang limited dito sa pagsulat ng halogen plus, okay? So, pwede rin na ito ay nakasulat dito sa taas. Now, if the halogen na gagamitin ay fluorine, of course, the halogenation is known to be fluorination. Kapag chlorine naman ang gagamitin mo, chlorination. And then for bromine is bromination. And of course, pag iodine naman ay iodination. Okay. Pero sinasabi nila that chlorination, and bromination are the widely used halogenation reaction for alkane. While as fluorination naman, okay, fluorination ay it's so quick. Very quick daw yung procedure, kaya paminsan hindi na nagagamit. Even for iodination naman, very slow. So, ayaw naman natin ng very fast reaction or very slow reaction. That's why ang pinaka-widely used ay chlorination and bromination. Okay. For halogenation, it is wise to take note that paminsan very progressive ang reaction na ito. Okay? Paano pag sinabing progressive? Ibig sabihin nun, marami siya, it will not only stop with one reaction. Pag sinabing monohalogenation, isang step lang, isang halogenation reaction lang, patulad nito. Okay, so if methane undergoes monochlorination or monohalogenation, ibig sabihin, once lang yung substitution reaction niya. Okay, so you have here chlorine, and hydrogen there. Okay, so undergoing substitution reaction. That's why instead of having CH4, the CH4 then becomes CH3Cl and the Cl2 became HCl. Now, very progressive ang mga halogenation reactions such that hindi sila mag-stop on the first stage only. Rather, nagpro-progress sila to continue producing chlorinated alkane until such time na hindi na makapag-react yung alkane kasi wala nang hydrogen na isa-substitute. So parang kanina, okay, so if the product of the first halogenation reaction is CH3Cl, so magpro-progress pa siya, magre-react pa siya with available chlorine atom to produce CH2Cl2. And still you have here HCl. And still progressing to another halogenation or the third halogenation reaction. So that would be so kanina product siya, tas magiging reactant siya dun sa next na halogenation reaction. So progressive lang siya. At kailan siya mag-stop? Kapag wala ng hydrogen na pwedeng i-substitute ng halogen. And that would be producing a polychlorinated or polyhalogenated products. Pag sinabing polyhalogenated products, ayan, ang dami na yung halogen na naka-attach dun sa organic compound. Okay? So, lagi natin tatandaan itong mga dinidiscuss natin, pinapasimple lang natin. So, it does not, paano ba to? Hindi siya ganyang kasimple if you're going to go into the details or the mechanism of the whole halogenation. So, maraming reaction siya. So, itong dinidiscuss lang natin ay general reaction. So, parang summarize lang siya. Pero madami pang process. Okay?